So now I think we can make these buttons here work. So this plus and minus sign here, this button's working. So update this number, and let's also update this slider. So when you slide it here, this number change here. So we going to the end for wrap. So this is really simple here. So for example, here in the minus, we can get off of this log here, and here on the on click we can simply say first we have to check if this float value is greater, actually not the great value, this is the wrong one. So we have to create a stage here. So let's create a stage here. So here we can, let's create a stage here. Let's call this split by stage, something like that. And this will be a member, and we have table inch stage off like this. Okay, so the value will be 1. So we're saving this split by stage here, so like 1 here. And let's already create one for the percentage too. So let's create about percentage, something like that. And this will be the slide position float value. We have to transform this to percentage, so multiply to 100, and we want the inch here. So let's start with this split first. So let's go here. So on the click, we have to check this on the inch value. We have to check this is greater than 1. If it is greater than 1, it can we can just left some minus here. So what this doing is subtracting 1 always that we click in this icon, and it's greater than 1. If it's 1, won't do nothing, and if it's greater than 1, it's subtraction number here. We can do the same thing for the plus here, for the add one, but we have to check if this is, for example, we want this until 10. You can check, whatever this value of this number here, in the case is less than 10, you can just add more numbers here, so plus like this. So this should work fine, and then we can just pass the stage here. So oops, so it's split by stage inch value, probably something like this. Okay, let me just put the value here. I'm here, so let's put this here. So now we're passing the value here, so this should be working fine, and we can do the same for here. We can test it now, maybe. Let's test now. If it's not working, we can come back here. So let's see. You can see it's adding until 10. So unless it's also working here, and we have this state saved by now. So now let's update this one here. So for this text, we want to type percentage that we just create here. So type percentage like this. So whenever the value of the stage, we put it here and put this sign after. So for now it's now or 0, and we have just to make this slider update this state now. So here in the on value stage, on value change, actually it's already done, right? Because we update it here, so we'll get in this position multiplying 400, something like that. So you have this one, and if you slide, you can see everything's working fine. So I think is this for this video. So you just have to do the actual mathematics here, the calculation for the tip and tip per person, and I think we should be fine. So see you in the next one. Bye bye.